the vector space V defined on polynomials of degree at most 2, this is our V, and let f is a function defined on V2R is a linear function such that image of 1 plus x under f is 0, image of 1 minus x square under f is 0, and image of x square minus x under f is 2, then find the value of f of 1 plus x square. What we have to find? We have to find f of 1 plus x square. We have to find out, and what is given to us? Image is under f of 1 plus x is 0, f of 1 minus x square equal to 0, and f of x square minus x equal to 0. And v is all those polynomials of degree at most 2 and coefficients are coming from real set. This is our v, and we have to find f of 1 plus x square. Whenever this question is not asked about proof that type, this is not of the type proof that, then there is no need to check given points 1 plus x, 1 minus x square, and x square minus x, at which image of these points under f is given to us. These points no need to check either linearly independent or dependent. They will be linearly independent because of this type of question only solved by linearly independent property. Then there is no need to check, because this is the exam, time bound exam, and in this time bound exam, whenever question asked about this type of linear function and we have to find image of a particular domain point, then consider these are linearly independent. But here I am going to tell you these are linearly independent or not. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x square minus x, write these point in standard format. 1 plus x plus 0 times x square equal to 1 minus 0 or plus into x minus x square, and this can be written as 0 minus x plus x square. These are form of a plus bx plus cx square type, or a naught plus a1x plus a2x square. These are of the form. And write the coefficient matrix. Because of we are going to check these are linearly independent or dependent. So write coefficient matrix formed by this, because we need to check c1 1 plus x plus c2 1 minus x square plus c3 x square minus x equal to 0. We form the system this and need to develop a matrix. So matrix will be obtained by this 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. This is our coefficient matrix, and we need to check the rank or number of non-zero pivot position. So it will be equivalent to 1 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1. Now this will be equivalent 1 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. It will be 0 and 2. This is our last equivalent, and rank of last equivalent matrix is 3. So all these given domain points, all these given domain points are linearly independent and number of linearly independent is equal to 3, which is dimension of vector space, dimension of vector space V, which is equal to dimension of vector space. So they are forming or for basis. So these are basis element, and domain point any domain point can be written as linear combination of linear can be written as linear combination of these basis elements. So 1 plus x square can be written as a of first basis element b1 plus b second element basis element plus c third basis element, and apply the function f after. Then it will be linear property of linearity. It will be f of basis element, f of second basis element, and c times f of this. It means a into f of first basis element, which is given to us, and secondly b into f of second basis element, which is also given to us, and this one. It means we have to find the only a b c. Here we have to find a b c. So this is the technique to solve this problem. But short technique is how to solve this problem technically. I'm going to tell you how to solve this problem technically. So answer of this type of question comes within 1 or 2 minutes. Now there is no need to check these are linearly independent or dependent. First, f of 1 plus x equal to 0, f of 1 minus x square equal to 0, and f of x square minus x equal to 2. Now these are 1 plus x, 1 minus x square minus x. These are our domain points. And this is also our domain point at which we have to find image of this domain point under f. We have to find image of 1 plus x square. Form a system or matrix known as augmented matrix. Augmented matrix, write this constant term, coefficient of x, coefficient of x square. Now constant term is 1, here constant term is 1, and here constant term is 0, and this one 1. Again, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is here 0, coefficient of x is minus 1, and coefficient in this 1. Again, coefficient of x square in first domain point is 0, in second minus 1, in third 1, and in last also 1. Now reduce this matrix, augmented matrix, in equivalent matrix. So it will be 1 1 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0, and it will be 0 minus 1 1 1. Now again apply EROs or elementary row operation. It will be 1 1 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 1, and 0, and last row will be 0 0 2 into 2 and last one is 1. Now this is my last equivalent matrix. Here x3 equal to half minus of x2 minus of x3 equal to 0. It means x3 is my half, so it will be minus of x2 and x2 equal to minus of half, and value of x1 will be minus of x2 plus 1, and it will be 1 plus half equal to 3 by 2. Now multiply these values. What are my values? X1 equal to 3 by 2, x2 equal to minus half, and x3 equal to half. Now check these value carefully, but procedure is same. Now multiply these values by images. What are images? 0, 0, 2. Images are 0, 0, 2. That will be your final answer. Images of given domain point under F is 0, 0, 2. So multiply these images respectively 0, 0, 2. Now multiply them. It will be 1 here, 0 and 0, and sum of all these is 0. Now this is the way to find the value. So the f of 1 plus x square is equal to 1.